An innovative approach to workplace safety and collaboration between Fenner Conveyors and a valued Pilbara client ensured the successful completion of a major Wharf Conveyor Belt Replacement. The changeout of this unique conveyor system has strict safety and operational requirements to mitigate potential risks. Traditionally, this has required the use of smaller reels with 6 splices, increasing manual handling exposure, or alternatively, the deployment of a jack-up barge for full-length reels, a high-cost and high-risk marine operation. From findings of the review, a core solution was conceptualized and developed with the help of Bell-Bane belt handling engineers. This involved using the adjacent conveyor and a Bell-Bane turning frame to feed a 780-meter length of belt from land, powered by a Bell-Bane pony drive. This creative approach to belt handling significantly reduced manual handling and improved overall safety by eliminating marine lifting and reducing splice count. The solution was successfully implemented within just 3 12-hour shifts, with 0 injuries, on time, and under budget. The new methodology developed now sets a new benchmark for safety in conveyor belt replacements and is highly transferable across similar industrial operations. This project is a strong example of how engineering innovation and cross-team collaboration can lead to safer, more efficient solutions.